Today, we're going to take a quick look at the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card. This is a flat-rate cashback card that has no annual fee and is perfect for anyone looking for a simple and straightforward rewards program. With the Wells Fargo Active Cash card, you'll earn an unlimited 2% cash back on all purchases. The best part is there are no categories to track or activate. Wells Fargo is currently offering a sign-on bonus where you can earn a $200 cash reward bonus when you spend $500 in the first 3 months of opening your account. There are several ways to redeem your cashback rewards. You can redeem your rewards as a credit toward your card statement, checking account, or mortgage. Need cash? Redeem your rewards at a Wells Fargo ATM in $20 increments. If you're looking to book an airline ticket, you can use a combination of your rewards and a credit or debit card. You can also redeem your rewards for a gift card or through PayPal when shopping at online stores. Your rewards will never expire as long as your account remains open. Alongside its fantastic rewards rate, the Wells Fargo Active Cash card offers an assortment of benefits and additional perks. The Active Cash card is contactless, which makes it incredibly easy to pay at checkout. Simply hold your credit card near the checkout terminal and your payment is processed in seconds. Using the Wells Fargo mobile app, you can conveniently pay your credit card bill and check account activity on the go. As a cardholder, you also gain access to their cell phone protection policy, which can provide up to $600 of protection against damage or theft. Keep in mind, you have to pay your monthly cell phone bill using your Wells Fargo card to qualify for this offer. With their zero liability protection policy, they ensure that you won't be held responsible for any unauthorized transactions, as long as they're reported promptly. Included with your card are the Visa Signature Privileges, which grants cardholders access to both the 24/7 concierge service and the luxury hotel collection. If you ever need assistance, simply pick up the phone and give them a call for your travel, dining, and entertainment needs. If you're interested in applying for this card, it's recommended that you have a good to excellent credit score, which can range from 670 to 850. As a new cardholder, you can expect an intro APR of 0% on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. After the intro period is over, your APR will be adjusted and will be 20.24%, 25.24%, 29.99% variable, while APR for cash advances is currently 29.99% variable. As mentioned previously, there are no annual fees for the Active Cash card. Just make sure you pay off this card monthly, as they charge up to $40 for late payments. For balance transfers, there is an intro fee of either $5 or 3% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater, for 120 days from account opening. After that, up to 5% for each balance transfer, with a minimum of $5. Cash advance fees are either $10 or 5% of the amount of each transaction, whichever is greater. Foreign transaction fees are 3% of each transaction converted to US dollars. The Wells Fargo Active Cash card is an excellent choice for people looking for a simple reward structure, no annual fee, and a generous sign-up bonus. If you're interested in learning more about this credit card, we will have a link in the description below to Wells Fargo's website. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more credit card reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.